Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to dive deep into another productivity hack?
Always ready.
Okay, good. Because today, we're tackling something that I know a lot of you have been asking about, especially those who spend a good chunk of their day in spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets, the universal language of, well, a lot of things.
You got that right. We're talking about Excel, and more specifically, some super sneaky keyboard shortcuts that can completely change your workflow.
Oh, yeah, those shortcuts are game changers.
Absolutely. We found some notes here about using the Alt key to unlock a whole bunch of hidden features.
The Alt key, I mean, it seems so simple, right?
Yeah, deceptively simple.
Yeah.
But get ready, because it's not just about speeding things up a little.
Yeah.
We're talking about a whole new level of control and efficiency.
It's like discovering a secret passage in a familiar room.
That's a great analogy. Okay,
Yeah.
so first things first. Can you break down for us exactly what happens when you hit Alt in Excel?
Sure thing. So you know that ribbon at the top of Excel with all the tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas?
Yeah, the ones you usually click through with the mouse, right?
Exactly. Well, when you press Alt, you suddenly see these little letter shortcuts pop up next to everything on the ribbon.
What, like little codes?
Yeah, kind of. And then instead of using your mouse to click through all those menus, you just type in the letter combo and boom, you're there.
I see. So it's like bypassing all those extra steps, right?
Exactly. No more hunting and pecking with the mouse.
Okay, I can definitely see how that would save time. But honestly, is it really that much faster than just using the mouse?
Oh, it is. But it's more than just raw speed. Think about it this way. You're in the middle of writing a super complex formula, really in the zone, and then you need to change the font size. Reaching for that mouse, it just yanks you out of that flow.
Yeah, I hate when that happens. It's like a total mental reset.
It is. But with these keyboard shortcuts, you can just, boom, 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 make the changes and stay right in that groove, keep that focus.
Okay, so it's about staying in what you sometimes hear people call a flow state, right?
Right.
Keeping your concentration laser sharp.
Exactly. And trust me, that flow state, that's where the magic happens.
That makes a lot of sense. It's especially when you're under pressure, like getting ready for a big presentation.
Yeah.
Say you suddenly realize your chart needs a total makeover.
Oh, yeah. Been there.
With the Alt key, it sounds like you can just zap right into those formatting options without losing your train of thought.
Exactly. Our notes mention an example where you need to tweak a chart, right? Hit
Yeah.
Alt, then H for the Home tab.
And all those formatting tools just appear. No more frantic clicking around.
Gone. You're like a formatting ninja.
So it sounds like it's not even just about the speed, it's about having all the tools you need right there, instantly, without disrupting your flow.
100%. It's about taking control of the software. It's like instead of being a tourist in Excel, you become a local.
I like that. It's like learning the secret handshake.
Yes. And you know what's really cool is that a lot of these shortcuts, they kind of follow similar patterns in other programs too.
Yeah, like once you start using them, you start to see them everywhere, right?
Absolutely. It's
Yeah.
like you've trained your brain to think differently, more efficiently.
It's almost like a whole new way of thinking about using software. Not just about clicking around, but about, I don't know, being more deliberate and purposeful.
It's empowering.
So the takeaway here is that the humble Alt key can truly open up a whole new world in Excel, and maybe even beyond. It's about efficiency, it's about control, and it might just change your entire relationship with technology.
Food for thought.
What if this one little trick could make you a power user not just in Excel, but in all your digital tools? Imagine the possibilities. That's something worth exploring.
I'll race you to the Alt key,
You're on.
right?
And on that note, we'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.
See ya!